Hello and thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. For the few of you that are new, I will recap on what this is all about. The channel Blue Potion Games is primarily focused on game development. This includes the following areas: concept art, modeling in Blender, scene creation, and Unity development. For the first few videos on the channel, there was a video series called Making a Treehouse Game Scene. There were 4 parts in the series, which first started with concept art and then continued to build up a scene in Blender. Next, I will move on to discuss this scene and compare previous scene attempts. So now you should be able to see a collection of 4 scene images. On the left hand side there is Making a Treehouse Game Scene, and on the right hand side there is Cthulhu Boathouse Scene. The Cthulhu Boathouse Scene was the first main attempt to create a scene from concept art. Overall, the Cthulhu Boathouse Scene attempts to do more in terms of composition and the amount of detail within the scene. At that point in time, they were initially taking inspiration from Final Fantasy IX style pre-rendered background images. In particular, the bottom right image was closer to Final Fantasy IX. I was lured in by the notion of doing pre-rendered backgrounds and was replicating this by doing Blender renders. Overall, the scene and approach was favourable in terms of how it looks. It was also the case when showing other people the different scenes. The only hesitation with the scene was the over-the-top level of scene complexity. There were some concerns over the time it would take to create, which was what brought us to trying more simple direction. The Making a Treehouse scene was the second main attempt to build up a scene based on concept art. After going through the Cthulhu Boathouse scene, the Making a Treehouse scene was a deliberate choice to try something less complicated. The scene is lower poly with lower res textures and uses mostly emissive lighting. It ended up having a simple chunkiness to it, almost like something from World of Warcraft. The simple approach, however, just left something to be desired compared to the Cthulhu Boathouse scene. So overall, for the different approaches, we've decided to revisit the Cthulhu Boathouse scene. I've started doing this by working through the existing high poly meshes and systematically lowering poly count. This is either with Quadriflow Remesh or manual retopology. As an example, this is a snippet of where I was doing retopology on the boat part of the house. So for now I'm continuing progress and might discuss more about this in the next video. Thanks for watching.